What if I told you that AI could build your entire website in minutes? Two major players are competing in this space, Webflow AI and Relume AI, but they work completely different. Today I'm building the exact same site with both tools to show you which one saves more time, gives better results, and is right for your workflow. Hey designers, I'm Parth Gaurav, founder of Digi Hotshot, and if you are working with Webflow, you have probably heard about both of these tools. Both are really promising and revolutionizing how you build websites. I've been using Webflow for years and scaling from freelancer to agency owner, and today I'm putting both Webflow AI and Relume AI to test, building the same project using similar prompts to show you the real difference. Now here's the reality most Webflow freelancers face. You get new client brief, then spend days planning the sitemap, wireframing, designing, and building. It's time consuming, especially when deadlines are tight and clients want changes yesterday. But what if AI could handle the heavy lifting? That's the promise. But which AI tool actually delivers? Here's our challenge. I'm going to build a website for shoot farms. And if you have seen The Office, you know what I'm talking about. A traditional family-owned beet farm. And this is what we are going to build. Same brief, similar prompts, and I'll show you what each tool provides and what each tool produces in real time. But first, let's understand what these tools are and how they differ fundamentally. First, let's talk about Webflow AI. It's built directly into the Webflow platform and launched in beta like 2 weeks ago. It takes a unique approach, and here's how it works. You provide a prompt description for your site and it generates a complete functional homepage with real components that you can customize within Webflow. The key advantage here is it's fully integrated with Webflow's editor, meaning you get a working site, not just a design. You start by answering some questions about your site's purpose, audience, and preferred style. The AI then generates a complete homepage with real sections like hero, features, testimonials, and even contact forms, all as actual Webflow components. Now, let's talk about the Relume AI. Relume AI works differently. It started as a component library I think 2 years ago or 3 years ago, and it evolved into an AI-powered planning and wireframing tool that focuses on the early stages of web design. With Relume, you provide a prompt describing your business and it generates a complete sitemap of all your pages. From there, it creates wireframes using its library of over 1400 components. And recently, they added the ability to apply style guides and basically create a complete new style guide inside their platform. And you can basically export that into Figma or on Webflow. The key difference, Relume is primarily a planning and wireframing tool that exports to Webflow or Figma. It's not building the actual website directly, but it can build the site. Now let's start with Webflow's AI. So this is how it works. We'll just go to the AI site builder. We'll start with the basics. Who are you building a website for? A business. And what is the name of the business? It is Shoot Farms. Now I'll click on next and I'll share a detail. I have already created a prompt. So create an authentic website for Shoot Farms, a traditional family-owned beet farm. The multi-generational farm specializes in cultivating premium organic beets using time-honored techniques. A bunch of stuff I have included. Now I'll click on next. And what we'll do is we'll just go with the brand style, AI suggested style, and same with the background and same with the voice. Let us choose straightforward and clear. That's what Dwight would prefer. So yeah, I'll hit generate and let's see how it works out. And after this is done, we'll try the Relume AI as well. And I have tried this out before as well. It generates pretty decent stuff, good for a beginner site or a basic site. So let's see what it produces. Now here you go. It has built out something. Let's see what it has built out. Okay, not bad. Experience the richness of our heritage. Discover the finest organic beets grown with care and tradition. Explore our farm story and sustainable practices. Farm tools, bed and breakfast, barn rentals. Pretty accurate, I would say. Let's first walk through it and I'll show you what you can change and how you can go about it. Discover our premium beets. Experience fresh farms. I think it is pretty decent. Pricing options are also there. And it's okay. I would it's basic. I think it can do the job well for someone who doesn't know how to build stuff. And from here you can basically choose a theme, and I think it changes the fonts and slight bit of colors. And yeah, I think you can change the theme and all from here. And from here you can basically change the colors of how you want it to be. For the images, you can use something like Visual Electric for creating images, or if you have your own images, then that is like very helpful. But even if you want to generate like AI generated image, you can use Visual Electric to generate those images. Visual Electric or Midjourney. Visual Electric is much easier to use. For Midjourney, first you need to install Discord, and then on Discord in a server you need to install the Midjourney. So for a beginner, Visual Electric is better. Let's come back to here again. You can change the typography from here, choose heading sizes, styles, and different kind of fonts. And here you can change basically styling, how the different sections are colored. So let's see if I use this. So it is basically you can see what you want to have from this, and from here you can choose the different styles of images that you want to use. And from here you can choose the buttons. I think these are like pretty simple buttons that you can use. And there are forms, card styles, roundness you can choose. And I think from here you can swap styles as well. So I think it does a pretty decent job. Now let's use the same prompt for inside Relume and see how it works out. So let's come to Relume. I have already opened a project here, and here once you click on create new, you will land on this. You just need to add a sitemap prompt. I'm just pasting this directly, and let's see what it generates. First, basically it generates the whole sitemap, and then once the sitemap is done, it generates the wireframe. So as you can see here, it has already generated the sitemap for Hero for the home page. And from here I can basically generate sitemap for all of the pages. Just quickly generate it, and about us as well. I think yeah, all of them are done. So now we can move on to the wireframe. Just click on wireframe now, and it will generate all the wireframes instantly. As you can see, it's spinning up. But one thing, it doesn't provide the images in this part, because so until now we have been using until this stage a lot. We take this mid-fidelity wireframes and take it as a starting point, and then build on top of that. I think this is a very good starting point. Let's see what it has created. I'm pretty sure it is like much better than what Webflow AI has created in terms of the layout and all. Welcome to Shroot Farms, nature's beat paradise. Nice. So I think in this as well, you can change the style of the copy, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember. Yeah, I think you can simplify the language, change the tone, and you can do that stuff as well by changing the content. And for each section, you can basically, let's say if you don't like this layout, you can replace this with another component that would fit in with this kind of structure. So you can search a lot of components, as choose what works for you. Like you can let's say you want to create a completely new section, you can click on new section and create something, create from the 1400 components that they have. So you can create a complete new section and give it a prompt for that section, and it will basically generate the content. So this is how the Relume AI works, and it is like, I would say it is far like miles ahead of Webflow AI in terms of the quality of components it generates. And again, this one requires a bit of technical skill as well, because from here you can export these mid-fidelity wireframes to Figma, so for the design. But if you want to export it for Relume, you first need to clone the Relume style guide in Webflow and then paste that. Only then all the systems would work properly, and only then you will be able to scale the site out. So it requires a bit of technical thing. And it again, the entire Relume wireframes are based on client first. so you must know your way around that as well. So this is how it works. And well, Relume has introduced style guide like way before, but now, not way before, but I think 1 or 2 months before. But now they have also included the export kind of thing. So if I go to style guide, you can see the entire styles build out. I know it doesn't produce the images exactly to what the business is, but you can just replace the image using your actual images or something from Visual Electric or Mid Journey. So like it is like the style guide feature is really good, I would say. You can shuffle different color schemes from here, and let's say you like this color, you can just lock it and then play around with other color. Basically, let's say you like the heading, you can just lock it and change the body, like explore more of body fonts as well. And same with the buttons, you have a bunch of options here, not a lot, but like good options are here. And same with the cards, how you want the cards to be. Let's see if it has cards, so we can test it out. Okay, these are the cards, so you can change the styling of the cards. I'm not sure why it's not changing, but you can basically change the style of the cards, the roundness, the styles, you want it bounded or not bounded, things like that. And from here, either you can just pitch this concept directly, sharing this link with the client. They can see like 3 concepts here, or you can just export it inside in Figma or on Webflow and other stuff as well, React and HTML as well. So yeah, this is how it works. I believe like where I would prefer like a Relume much more. Yeah, this is how it works. Now, as you have seen the tool in action, after spending significant time with both these tools, here's my honest take. Now on Webflow AI, look, I think Webflow AI is primarily for people who don't know much about tech. Your next door bakery shop owner or very small business owner who just wants some online presence without the budget to hire a professional. If you have a zero tech experience and need something simple, Webflow AI might work for you. But as a professional, I don't think freelancers or agency owners like us should use this tool at this moment to create client sites. At least not at this moment. I appreciate what Webflow has built, but for now, I would not be personally using it. The designs are like too templated, and clients who hire professionals expect customization that goes beyond the current offers. It might evolve, but right now it's not a tool I'd personally use for client work. And maybe like another take on this one is why you should not use just the templates directly. So that is again another debatable thing. So I think it might work better for a business owner as well to just directly purchase a template and create content on that. Or maybe Webflow should provide some kind of AI inside the content part, so that the content based on the business can get generated for the whole template. I think that will be a better approach. That's what honestly I feel, but I appreciate what Webflow has built out. I hope it improves in future and provides these early business owners a really great tool to work with. And I think right now as well it's pretty solid, but it's kind of right now debatable if to use or purchase the templates directly, or even use a free template, or use Webflow AI to build stuff. Now Relume AI, we use it a lot in our agency, especially in the planning phase. A lot of times we start from Relume and then evolve that design to bring the client's vision to life. Not sticking to the template, but using it as a starting point. It helps us tremendously shortening the strategy process and the mid-fidelity wireframe process. Many other big agency owners and professional designers I know use Relume too, but primarily we use it for Figma exports rather than Webflow exports, because on our end, we don't work with client-first system, and Relume's all the components inside Webflow are based on client-first, and we don't honestly like using client-first. We use our own system to build websites. It's pretty similar to Must, and it is very lightweight, just like Must. So we prefer using our own system instead of client-first. So we use it more in the planning phase and initial design phase, which is where it really shines a lot. Now here's the bottom line. Webflow AI and Relume AI are solving different problems for different people. If you're a small business owner doing everything yourself, Webflow AI gives you a quick solution. If you are a professional designer or agency like us, Relume AI helps optimizing your workflow without compromising on custom design quality. I think these tools will keep evolving and we'll see improvements in both in future. Will they eventually converge? Maybe, but for now it's about choosing the right tool for your specific situation and skill level. I'll be sticking with Relume AI for my agency work, but I can see how Webflow AI might serve a different market entirely. If you're a Webflow freelancer looking to grow your business, hit subscribe for more practical insights like this. Let me know in the comments if you have tried either of these tools and what your experience has been with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.